Here's my crude homemade hot water heater. Actually works pretty good. This is just two heating elements with the water flow going through them, stacked on top of each other. One came out of a coffee maker, and I believe the other one came out of an iron. This one, 1300 watts, and I don't think the other one says, it might be 900 or 1000 watts. So this will probably consume the power of a small room heater set on high. This is the ambient temperature, a little over 50 degrees, I think. And here is power cord going to the heating elements. They're wired in a parallel circuit, not a series circuit. Haven't tested that, so I'm not sure. It probably would not get as hot, but let's see. Right about 50 degrees. You turn it on. Let me dump this water out. Start fresh. Okay, it's feeling warm already. Up to 85 degrees. It's only been less than a minute. 90 degrees. Now that'll be comfortable to take a shower at, wash your hands, and this is pretty much instant. You can pick up a coffee maker, iron, 2, 3. The more you stack on top of each other, the hotter it'll get, but I'm not sure. There has to be a limit that you can use safely. I don't think you would want to put 10 together and put it on one power cord. Okay, it's up to 95 degrees. And if I turn the water flow down, the temperature will go way up. It can actually steam, produce steam as it hits the ground. So let's see. At this level of water flow, it looks like it's probably maxed out in temperature at 95, 96 degrees. Oh no, it's at the same 95, 96. Now what I'm gonna do is turn the water flow down, and let's see how it performs then, how hot it can get. Okay, turn the water flow down. Whoa, it's up to 120 already. Wow, that went up quick. Just a few seconds. Look at that. Can't see it very good. It was at 120. It's a little over 120, maybe 122, 123, something like that. At that point, it'll probably be a little uncomfortable to touch. You wouldn't want to bathe in 120-degree water. Yeah, it's pretty hot. Take a closer look. A little bit over 120. If I turn the temperature down, it would actually go well above 120. I've had it to the point where it pretty much steams. A little bit too hot. I wouldn't want to wash my hands in water that hot. Probably be good for soaking dishes in or something like that. So, one more tip. If you do build and use a hot water heater like this, made from recycled materials, the way it's set up, you'd want to unplug it first, let the water continue to flow for just maybe a minute or so to cool off the heating coils before you cut the water off. You want to allow those to cool off a bit with the cold water going through the system, because I don't think these silicone hoses, they probably would wear out faster having the thing plugged up without the water running, or they could fry everything. I don't know if it would get that hot, but possibly. So I always let the water run for a minute after I unplug the system, and it works good. It's cheap. It's made of recycled materials, so I say give it a try. Thanks. Bye.